y'all, today we're learning our black key major and minor pentascales. So grab your keyboard and let's go. Hi, it's Sandy here, owner and founder of the Lewanika School, and today I just want to teach you about the black key major and minor pentascales. We've already learned our white key major and minor pentascales, so now it's time to get into the black keys, which is very similar. So you shouldn't have any problems. Check out our major and minor pentascales if you need a little bit of a review of those. If you want to continue to learn more about piano and more about what we do here at the Lewanika School, turn those notifications on, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into our lesson. So, as you can see, we're ready to learn our black keys. I have highlighted on our worksheet all the keys that we're going to go over. It's only 5, major and minor, and I'm going to start with our major keys. So, we're going to go over D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat. And remember, we have for major pentascales, what is it? Do you remember? Whole step, half step, whole step. So we have, this is a whole step from D flat to E flat. E flat to F is a whole step. Then we have to go a half step. So F to G flat, and then A flat. So G flat to A flat. So remember, major pentascales is whole step, half step, whole step. So here we go. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, F, A flat, F, D flat, and we make a chord. There you go. Next scale, we have E flat. So remember, whole step, E flat to F, F to G, and then we need a half step, G to A flat, and then A flat to B flat. So E flat again is E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, G, B flat, G, E flat, and then chord. Going to G flat now. Same concept, whole step, half step, whole step. So G flat, A flat, B flat. Wait, yeah. C flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, B flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, chord. I was hesitating because I started thinking in sharps for some reason, because this note is B, but it's C flat in the key of G flat major. So it gets a little confusing, but G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat. Good. Then we go to A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, C, E flat, C, A flat, and chord. Last one for a major, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, F, D, B flat, chord. Okay, you got it? Okay, And remember, practice hands separately. So practice your left hand, whichever hand you prefer. It could be left hand first, right hand first. I usually do the less dominant hand. I'm right-handed. So I'll usually try to practice my left hand first and then my right hand and then together. Because usually the hand that is weaker or the hand that you don't write with is the one that needs more work. So there we have our majors. Let's get into our minors. Okay, so we're ready to get into our minors. Our worksheet is up for minor scales. Same keys: D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat. So for minor scales, minor pentascales, we use whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Majors is whole step, half step, whole step. Minor is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. So the two middle ones are reversed. All right, here we go. D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, F flat, A flat, F flat, D flat chord. Okay, not so bad, just a different sound. E flat minor. We're on minors. E flat minor is E flat, F, we need a half step here, G flat, A flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, G flat, B flat, G flat, E flat, and chord. So moving on to G flat, we have G flat, A flat. Now this one is going to be weird. We're pressing A, but we have to continue going up the scale. So we can't say G flat, A flat, and then A. We have to go in order of our musical alphabet, which is G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So we go from G flat, A flat, B double flat. You can have a double flat. C flat, D flat, C flat, B double flat, A flat, G flat. Okay? It's just keep it simple. I know it sounds very weird, but this is our scale. So we have G flat, A flat, B double flat, C flat, D flat, C flat, B double flat, A flat, G flat. And it's B double flat because you have B, right? To go flat, we go to the next adjacent key down to the left. This is B flat. If we want to go to double flat, we just go down one more time. So this is B double flat. All right. I know you like these people. These music people are crazy, which might also be true, but they had a method to the madness, and we just follow it. There's no triple flat. Well, you could. You don't really see like triple flats or anything like that. You usually see double flats and double sharps. Double sharps is the opposite of double flats. So, say we had C sharp. This is C sharp. We wanted to go C double sharp. We go to the next note. Okay. All right, back to our lesson. A flat. Let's do A flat. So we have A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, C flat, E flat, C flat, A flat, and chord. B flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, D flat, F, D flat, B flat, and then chord. There you go. Now you know the major and minor pentascales. The only weird one is really like G flat with the double, like spelling it out, saying it out loud, but otherwise it's just like the other ones. So, of course, I'm going to teach you a song on the black keys. I can't just leave you without a song, but that's going to be for our next lesson, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video today. We just went over the black keys, major and minor, pentascales. Super simple, only five scales to learn. So if you made it to the end of our video, give me a thumbs up, a hand raise. Woo, that was interesting. Leave a comment too. Don't forget to turn those notifications on, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram. See you next time, and it'll be a song on the black keys. Bye.